Hey everybody, my name is Ryan Erkslaven. I'm a sales consultant here at Jim Taylor Ford here in Ruston, Louisiana. And we're doing new car specials every week of the month for April. And today I'm going to show y'all the new car special for the week. It's a brand new 2018 GT Mustang. So come around here to the hood, I'll show you some specs on it. It's a 5.0 V8. It's got 460 horsepower. It also got upgraded to 420 foot-pounds of torque. Alright. So I'll put this down. I'll show you some new things the Mustang has this year compared to last year. The hood is actually all redesigned. Okay, the whole Mustang is redesigned this year. It's longer and lower. It's made to look more like a Shelby 350. It's got different heat extractors as well as different LED fog lamps down here. Alright, this one specifically is a convertible, and it's got a GT performance package, which means it's got 19-inch painted aluminum wheels and also a 3.55 gear ratio on the back. Alright, so come to the back. Another upgraded thing that Ford did with their Mustangs this year is called active exhaust. So what that means is you can actually control how loud you want your Mustang to be. Before they only had one on each side, now they have two on each side. So you want to make it louder or quieter, just depending on what driving mode you want to be in, you have the option to do so. Alright. Come around the side. It's got intelligent access, so if I got the key on me and I put my thumb on the door handle, it'll actually unlock. Also, blind spot monitor control. It's something in the rear view mirrors or the side mirrors that'll actually tell you if someone's in your blind spot. Alright, I'm gonna let our sweet camera lady into the car real quick. I'm gonna come around inside. Alright, so I'm gonna crank this sucker and it's gonna get really loud. So you can hear that. Alright, like I said, it's a convertible. So you just twist that and then press this button. Windows will roll down and the top will fold. Alright, this sucker's fully loaded. I'm talking leather seats, heated and cooled, and the whole really every option you can think of that Ford offers on the screen, it has. And one of my favorite things about the new 2018 Mustang is the whole dash is digital, from the RPMs to the speedometer and everything. So that's just a walk around, just about a 5-minute walk around on the new 2018 Mustang. If y'all are interested in coming in and knowing more about it, maybe taking it for a test drive, I look forward to making a new friend and helping you buy your next vehicle.